Good evening. This one goes out to all you folks out there who believe in the wide distribution of unknown yet dangerous gases being belched out of airplanes, leaving behind a viscous vapor you like to call chemtrails. The first issue that comes to mind is the claim that all trails coming from aircraft are chemtrails. Many do think this, and these people are, frankly, idiots, because now comes the point where I show World War II aircraft flying at high altitudes with contrails behind them, and I even have the narrator explaining what they are. But there are those who will throw out scientific evidence in favor of the emotional tantrums that support chemtrails. But wait! Now here comes some assumption without evidence that the bombers were using gas on Germans. And now they're using them on us. I wonder if all the latter commercial jets were up to that as well. If so, they must have been very proud of dumping all that gas over populated areas, because they even advertised it. Come fly TWA and help dump gas on people. Here's a swizzle stick for your cocktail with the chemtrails attached. Love that neurotoxin flavor. So now the story gets changed, and all of a sudden only some trails are contrails and others are chemtrails, and you guys can tell the difference like you know what the fuck you're talking about. Now this'll be like beating a dead rat, but let's discuss exactly what a contrail is. A condensation trail, also called a vapor trail, forms at altitudes above 25,000 feet in temperatures below -40 degrees when engine exhaust condenses into ice crystals, creating an artificial cirrus cloud. Water is produced by hydrocarbon-burning engines in about the same quantity as fuel consumption, and in the right conditions, this extra addition of water into the air pushes the water vapor past the saturation point and condensation occurs. The science is there. Go look it up. Get a book. Find it on Google. Don't be a dimwit. Don't be a dunce. Yes, I did see the video of two planes in the same shot, one with a contrail and one without a contrail, and I know you think one is dumping some unknown yet deadly gas and the other isn't. And I also know you will never look for the reason for this, so I guess I'll have to tell you. They are flying at different altitudes where atmospheric conditions are different. Just like clouds. Here are some clouds at 12,000 feet, and there are no clouds at 11,000 feet. Do you know why? Thermal layers. You see a plane flying with no tail behind it, and then suddenly a trail starts. Do you know why? Because it's quickly climbing in altitude, passing through a thermal layer. That's where the conditions are right for the formation of the condensation trail. Some trails go away after a few minutes, but others stay for a long time and spread out. Do you know why? Dew point, temperature, humidity levels. The contrails are clouds. The same condition that enables high clouds to stay around will also allow contrails to stay around. Isn't science wonderful? Yes, we do have technology to spray chemicals, and we do so quite often. Chaff from military aircraft, insecticide from crop dusters, and fire retardant sprayed onto forest fires. But that doesn't automatically mean that people should think there is some secret government plot to spray shit everywhere, unless you're a complete moron. Now, when I was young, I used to watch planes go by sending out contrails, and over the years I've also seen crop dusters in action on TV. But not once have I ever ventured to think someone was crop dusting at 33,000 feet. I have long ago come to the conclusion that a good indicator of stupid could be the equation A, condensation trails, plus B, crop dusting, equals C, the government is out to kill us. If you can't see how truly fucked up that is, then there is no going back for you. No matter what anyone says, you just know that there are thousands of secret government workers at every airport in the country managing to sneak hundreds of canisters per day onto jetliners under the gaze of unsuspecting crew members or ground workers without notice. The government has been so good at this that not one whistleblower has ever come forward and not one deathbed confession has ever been given. The secrecy is complete. So complete, in fact, that millions of people get to see it openly on YouTube every day. This is Super Silent, and thank you for watching.